Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get Discord AI image generator. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, you need to log in to your Discord account. Once logged in, navigate to the specific page for the bot you're interested in. This page provides detailed information about the bot, including basic commands and the most frequently used ones. It's important to note that this bot isn't a cheap imitation of Midjourney. It's utilized in nearly 105,000 servers, underscoring its popularity and utility. On the page, you will find two prominent buttons: Copy Link and Add to Server. The Copy Link button allows you to share the bot's link with your friends, making it easy for them to access and add the bot to their own servers. Alternatively, you can click on the Add to Server button to directly add the bot to your desired server. After clicking Add to Server, you'll be prompted to select the server where you want the bot to be added. Choose the appropriate server and click Authorize. Once this process is complete, return to your server. You should see that the bot has been successfully added. With the bot now integrated into your server, you can take advantage of its features to generate various types of images. To view a list of all available commands, simply enter the /command help. This command will display all the different commands you can use with the bot. This is the straightforward process for adding and utilizing the Discord AI image generator bot. So that's basically how to get Discord AI image generator. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.